DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
Gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang, the Dan is back in the lab. Yeah, man, gang, stop play the thing, man. I see what we are dealing with today. You don't know we overseas, you know. We've been overseas, but we gone overseas again because the artists what we are dealing with. You don't know. You see me and saying the artists have a little buzz. You see me dog deal with them thing from what day. You see me my God, one artist where we used to we like react up on the channel over here. So you see me go again to our next bad artist right now. I have a little few. Then I Cashh right out. But I have a little few that go on. You see me and say so we there back with you don't know the states mother ready. You see me and say we there with Raw Cashh, the one named Charge Raise. You see me and say yeah man gang, we check it out and see where dog I deal with. Raw Cashh make a little buzz. You know do him thing, I make some good music as well as you know I'm gonna do a little rated with with Skipper. But you dog having little buzz are going on differently other than the beef, and you know it's a good look. But yeah man, you don't know when Dan Mafia remember requested this one, I give them a shout out to you. See me I say yeah, Nicholas Edwards, big up yourself, me G. Yeah, Nicholas Edwards requested that one. He said Raw Cashh Charge Raise, bro, check it out. Maddest thing. You see me I say so Nicholas, I hope you're not lying a dog. You see me I say I hope you live up to your words. You see me I say so check it out and see what I go. But Raw Cashh a mad artist, so we don't expect none less. You see me I say so I jump right in the track right now. Yeah man, Raw Cashh Charge Raise gang, come on.
Yo, China man records, you know.
Not keen again. States. Show them up.
States, him and said that. Come in on Charge Raise, come in.
Man. 50. YG. Wayne. Jellian. David.
Come in, man.
Bang no gas school. When you see the lappy them rise and up pro tool. Hacky online send out that ras fool. Me dog get it cool and load skull can't move. One candle and his hands make she touch you. She fuck for the wicked girl, you so ras roll.
Hola. What's the man say, yo? Bang no gas school, me G. You see me I say? When you see Bomba bang a rise up my you no pro tools, me G. She fuck with you, we go shisha ras road. Come in, man. Hey. Dog no easy, you know. Come in, Rafi running. Come in.
States. Bang no gas school. When you see the lappy them rise and up pro tool. Hacky online.
Lappy them rise and up pro tools. Come in.
That ras fool, me dog get it cool and load skull can't move. One candle and his hands make she touch you. She fuck for the
one candle and sound make she talk truth. Come in.
We get girl you so ras road. None of them no bang a music, let them eat food. When you see me states, my sound no cartoon. Who no ras fool, brain free. Let's go in the middle. If you no make memory from David said only.
Come in now man. You see now man. Man say you're from David. Hey. Man say man say no Bobby me and David, you know. Oh, so get
Let's go in the middle. If you no make memory from David said only the money Cap when the second she was smaller than jelly.
Yo, but hey, come in, man. The dog I talk about the same style. He was on the fix and doing an interview and he was talking about the same scene style. And the dog really I live through say I try really master. You see me and say and see man do it. Raw Cashh, big up yourself.
Only prep states number 5.
Yes.
Run them file them a chop for true. Designer beast J Vinci shoes. Rich for me sing states mad me put a man sense.
Hold on, you mean no man, no you mean. Come in no man. Weird. Come in no one hear that I say. Raw Cashh.
Run them file them a chop for true. Designer beast J
Oh boy,
Vinci
weird. I skip a dog attack. Weird. I skip a dog attack. The man say run them file them no chop for true. I can't say scamming over music. can't get no dog. I can't skip a yard talk. Skip that. Hey, boy, shots of fire do raw cash, do your thing.
Rich for me sing states mad me put a man sense of them a beat and a cafe proof. Green veil shipping and cheap different type of cool. Custom me cream, you can't white like me. You charge them a
custom me cream. Man's everything design and custom, brother. All in bleaching cream custom, you can't white like you, man. Them a bleaching so you can't get in a store that in a...
So I be a check a job for true. No me lucky now. Fuck music for proof. Brain free. Let's go in real if you know me.
I said, no, me lucky enough if I say fuck music for proof. Say you're rich crew, no dog. But weird.
Fuck music for proof.
But weird dog, sir.
So I be a check a job for true. No me lucky now. Fuck music for proof. Brain free. Let's go in real if you know memory from David said, hey, only money in hand.
Man say from David say, hello, me need money in hand. Now too, I want here, man. Yeah, man, I talk to you, man. From me say, hello, that money for your run, brother. I want here, man. Tell me, man. Yeah, man.
If you know memory from David said,
hello, need money in hand.
Cap when the second she was small and a jelly.
Man said no cap when we say country, man, you Westmont and J. Easy now. Man said no cap when we say country, man say country.
No cap when the second she was small and a jelly. Flag them away, holy prep states to my heart. Me no do the percentage, me shop innocenti. Jelly and X6, X4 plenty. My victim, them a do.
Oh, my God, easy now, man. Easy now, mama go and do nothing to, you know?
Me no pussy test me. Not nice, grab your account and tear it. Body pa check man, bill and mail it. White Nike stays a shirt a Mary. Dance all many say the whole of them fear me.
Dance all many say all of them fear him. Ah, go on, Cashh.
States. If you know memory from David said, hey, only money in hand.
Listen to my use the dog, yeah. He's a dog, yeah. The dog, yeah, easy, you know. He's a
memory from David. It said, hey, only money in hand. Look up when the second she was small and a jelly. Flag them away, only prep states to my heart.
Easy now, man. Easy now. Right, Cashh. Who said country? That's small and the dog said, easy now.
Dates 50. Cinnamon, YG, Wayne, Jillian, Not Nice, Strappis, David.
Easy now.
Yo, Kuya, watching our creative.
Easy now. China, man. Creative click. Chad anyway, big up on us.
Click, shoot the one and hear that. Believe no man.
Mad thing. Raw Cashh, charge, raise. Big up your damn self, youth. Yeah, man. Raw Cashh, I do him think, eh? I don't think about that one there, man. Differently, that she say, you know, for me, no, this tune, you know, face, you know? Dog have in vibe. Have in vibe, him one buzz, him one motion going on. Big up Raw Cashh, I got doing thing. That can go far. Great potential in 19. Real talk. Yeah, man, no potential in that thing, man. And that early and new night thing. You see what I say? Yeah, man, just like when we started listening to Skipper, I said Skipper potential, dog have potential. Because Skipper right now, a year later, Skipper make moves, you know, man. But Raw Cashh are making moves to, man. You know, unfortunately, them are beef together, but we out here, we enjoy the music. We like it, two artists. You see what I'm saying? Hopefully, them both reach far and I think and do them things, you know? Yeah. But yeah, man, gang, drop in the comments. I don't think about that one there. Raw Cashh, charge, raise. You see me and say, dog. Yeah, man, the man to school, no go to school, dog. When you lappy them raise, brother, on our Pro Tools. I don't produce, we are going to produce music, youth. And I edit, we are going to edit. And so when you lappy them raise, you see me scholar get crushed, youth. You know what I mean, man? Yeah, man, dog, say, mama, for the week, brother. So, mama road, general behavior. You see what I say? Well, yeah, man, gang. You let me know anything about the Raw Cashh charge rate. Just a vibe. like it. Definitely a playlist song. You see me, Cashh, I do everything. That come with the one vibe. States mad, you know. Yeah, man. We don't say States crazy too. You see what? Yeah, and the one of the video we are doing right now, the States mad. You see me, I say. So, big up Cashh, that I do him thing, man. You see me, I say. Yeah, man. It's a good look, gang. Drop your comments. You see me, drop your comments if you like it. If you gonna show the artist some love and support. You know, it's a Jambisco the dance, you know. You see me, I say, gang. Yeah, man. Drop your comments. Let me know what's your favorite part. Beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff, gang. Yeah, see me, I say, and drop your request. You already know you're gonna get your shout out. So, Nicola said, big up yourself for this one. You see me, I say. Even though I was gonna react to it, but you don't know if I drop a comment, I gotta get a shout out, you know. You see me, I say. But yeah, man, gang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.